Before we dive into the story of one of the most iconic coins in American history, make sure you hit that subscribe button for Coin Discovery Old Zone. Trust me, you don't want to miss a single treasure we uncover. Picture this. This coin 1964 Kennedy half-dollar coin America is in a period of transition, filled with both hope and heartbreak. John F. Kennedy, the young, charismatic president, has just been tragically taken from the nation. The world mourned. But in the midst of that grief, a symbol was born, a coin that would forever capture the spirit of a generation and hold a fascination for collectors that lasts to this very day. The 1964 Kennedy half-dollar. This wasn't just any coin. This was America's tribute to a leader who inspired a nation. Struck by the U.S. Mint, the Kennedy half-dollar was released just a month after President Kennedy's assassination, with millions rushing to banks, eager to own a piece of history. The coin features the familiar, dignified profile of Kennedy himself, crafted by Gilroy Roberts, while the reverse showcases the presidential seal, designed by Frank Gasparo. Every curve, every line, tells a story of respect, remembrance, and national pride. What makes the 1964 Kennedy half-dollar so remarkable, especially to collectors and history enthusiasts, is not just its association with a beloved president, but the composition of the coin itself. These coins were minted in 90% silver, a fact that adds both historical and monetary weight. Imagine holding a coin in your hand that not only carries the legacy of a president, but also the tangible value of precious metal, something rare in the world of modern coins. For many men who grew up during the 60s, this coin is more than just currency. It's a portal to the past. Holding it is like touching a piece of a moment in time. The turbulent 60s, the hopes and dreams of a generation, and the enduring memory of Kennedy's vision for America. It reminds us of a world before digital screens, a time when news traveled slower and a president's words could ignite the spirit of an entire nation. Collectors often marvel at the sheer number of Kennedy half-dollars minted in 1964, over 300 million in total. Yet despite this, finding coins in pristine condition is a different story. Coins that were carefully preserved, never circulated, shine with a luster that seems almost untouched by time. These are the coins that make seasoned collectors' hearts race. The ones that sit in high-grade collections, sealed and protected for decades, waiting for the right moment to shine. And then there's the story of rarity and value. While millions of these coins exist, there are a handful that go far beyond the typical collector's price. Exceptional specimens, coins with perfect strikes and flawless surfaces, have been known to command jaw-dropping prices at auctions. Their appeal isn't just in silver or sentiment. It's in their perfection, their rarity, and the story they carry. For the men watching today who love history, heritage, and the thrill of discovery, the 1964 Kennedy half-dollar isn't just a coin. It's a conversation starter, a centerpiece of any collection, a piece of art, and a connection to the past. Imagine sitting with friends, passing the coin around, each noticing details in the engraving that most would overlook. That moment of shared history, of connecting generations through a small silver disc, is priceless. And here's the kicker. Among all these coins, there exists one that transcends even the highest expectations. One extraordinary specimen, preserved in absolute perfection, is valued at a staggering $3.2 million. Yes, you heard that right. Millions of people have held a Kennedy half-dollar, but only a select few have ever owned a coin of this caliber. This isn't just about money. It's about legacy, about the culmination of history, art, and rarity coming together in one perfect object. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or someone who simply appreciates the stories coins tell, this coin 1964 Kennedy half-dollar coin history